Look guys, this is our red flag look here in Thailand. Supposedly it's dangerous to swim here, you know. Very dangerous. Where I live in Portugal, where I'm from in Portugal, this is like a nice day without waves. Here in Thailand is a red flag. Oh, you guys can see, not many people around here. Thailand still suffer from the pandemic times. Even now I have people coming to Thailand here where I live. It isn't a touristic area, so we'll suffer a bit more than other places that the tourists start come by. But you see, this is our red flag look like in Thailand. And finally, I have a bit of time, so finally I will edit the video that you guys are expecting. I post from my trip around Thailand. Was 2 weeks or a weekend off trip. I didn't edit it yet. I'm working a lot these 2 or 3 months since I left, so my Rebel still look pretty much the same. I neither cleaned the Rebel during this last month and a half, I think, because I'm not riding, so I don't have more mileage, I don't have more videos, I don't have anything else because I was working a lot. And I just bought a pretty nice yellow gloves. I don't know why. I'm in the mood to to dress yellow, so I just bought these yellow gloves. I bought the new helmets. This is a half-face helmet that you still can put the mount on the front. It's a bit windy here, I'm not sure if you guys can hear me. And guys, to tell you the truth, I'm tired of my Rebel, but because it's a custom bike, you don't need to sell it and buy another one. I don't need to sell it and buy another one. I will just modify the things I add, like this seat. I'm tired of this seat, but this seat is great for long trips. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to remove this seat, and I will install a new seat, a smaller one, 2 seats separated as the stock, but a little bit better than the stock. And I'll remove this one, and if I need to do another longer trip, probably I will install back this seat. I'm removing my top case, and I will keep one of the saddlebags because I think look cool on the left side. And I think I will remove the windshield as well, because I'm tired of this windshield. I'm looking something else to put here, some kind of fairing like the OEM Batwing. I'm still not sure what I got to put here. It's very useful when you ride at faster speeds. It's really useful to have this, but I'm tired of looking at it. Usually I'm tired of my motorcycles really fast. I'm not tired yet of the Rebel because I know I can custom the motorcycle and I modify 2 or 3 things and will look like another motorcycle. But that's it. This is what my Rebel look like today. As I said, I didn't clean it for a few times, so still full dirty here, full of dry mud on the pipes, on the exhaust, and the radiator, and even at the forks. But that's it. So now I will have a few time. I will post this video today, just say hello to you guys. For you guys, don't worry, sometimes I don't post and some of you guys send me a message asking if I'm still alive. Unfortunately, it's something that happens a lot in our motorcycle markets. And that's it. Got to ride a little bit around the beach, back home, edit this video, publish it, and start editing my older videos of my long trip. Hey guys, sometimes I need to work a lot, so I don't have time to edit the stuff, but that's it. Let's go.